Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have some breaking news for you. We had previously provided you with updates periodically regarding the so-called Idaho4 defamation case. This was brought by a University of Idaho professor, Professor Schofield, in December 2022, even before the time that Mr. Coeur was arrested on December 30th, 2022, wherein Professor Schofield alleged in the complaint bringing 2 counts for defamation against a YouTuber, TikToker, psychic, Ashley Guillard, stating that she had been defamed, in that Ms. Guillard purportedly announced that Professor Schofield was somehow involved in the perpetration of the catastrophic events at 1122 King Road. Professor Schofield had a big win when the court, this is now district court, that means federal court, rendered an order in her favor as to liability on both counts. So the court has already found, for all intents and purposes, that she was defamed. The trial now that has been scheduled by entry of a court order of August 12th, 2025 is damages only. In other words, dollars and cents. What will the defendant be required, if anything, to pay Professor Schofield on these 2 counts? The case is styled as Professor Schofield versus Ashley Guillard. It is case number 322 CV 00521 REP, United States District Court, District of Idaho. Why federal court? Why not state court? Well, because what Professor Schofield did is filed this complaint under what's called diversity of citizenship. We have all parties, plaintiff, defendant, citizens of separate states. Schofield, citizen of Idaho. Yard, citizen of Texas. That's what was alleged in the complaint, with damages in excess of $75,000. There's been an order setting trial dated August 12th, 2025, and it has a little bit of, in my opinion, which is a surprising development, because we were waiting for this court order to come down to state when the federal court was going to conduct the trial on damages, and we'd expected that it would be in Moscow. It's not. This court order reveals the following. Dated August 12th, 2025, order setting trial. The court has resolved all motions to date. Discovery is closed, and the case is ready for trial. It is hereby ordered that the following deadlines and procedures shall govern the remainder of this litigation. Paragraph 1, page 1. A 4-day jury trial is set for Tuesday, February 24th, 2026, beginning at 9 a.m. Pacific time, in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Not Moscow, which is what we had anticipated, ladies and gentlemen. We were waiting for this order to come down. Why Coeur d'Alene? Well, there's a footnote here. Footnote 1, page 1. Plaintiff's complaint was brought in the Moscow, Idaho division and demanded a jury trial. There is no longer a federal courthouse in Moscow. Therefore, unless otherwise ordered by this court or agreed by the parties, the jury trial will take place in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. So barring any situation where the court sets this trial anywhere else, come February 2026, 24th of February, there's going to be a 4-day trial. Damages for defamation. Next paragraph, page 1, goes into pretrial conferences, which are scheduled to occur prior to trial. And then if you continue on through this court order, it addresses other pretrial matters. And it is signed by the Honorable Raymond E. Patricio, Chief U.S. Magistrate Judge. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Please be sure to review our prior content on this matter. It will give you background on this case. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.